Hello everybody, this is Matador from freetradingvideos.com. It's 12:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, March 15th, 2010, and looking at the S&P 500 ETF, the spiders on a 3-minute chart here, acting very nicely again, but heading a little bit lower. So good run up into 115.50 area. If I scrunch this up, that was basically the line we had dropped in from yesterday's close. Perfect gap fill. Sold off to make a lower swing low right around our 115 mark, hovering around 115.04, which we also had in as a line from the last couple of days. So nice to have this perfect gap fill from 115.04. These two highs, a double top, again a little bit scrunched up, but you would see that on a higher time frame even easier. So there are these two highs at 115, fine-tuned down to 115.04. So I like it that the markets are holding up, at least right at these numbers that we had previously defined. Anyway, nice symmetrical triangle. Failed below 115, sold off. Excellent trade opportunities right in here. And now we've rallied about a 50% retracement into the declining 50 MA on a 3-minute chart. Again, take that with a grain of salt. A couple higher swing lows and throughout here on the way back up, but watching this now in context with the broad market internals. On a 15-minute chart, of course, it looks like this. Even went through this area of support at 115 like we talked about, using that probably as resistance now. Next logical support in here has already been tested once, and then again around 114.50. On a higher time frame even than that, we're hovering right around the 100 MA. So it's nice to see that. This is part of an ascending triangle, so we can remove that right through here. If I look at the trend, go back to the 3-minute chart, kind of hovering right around in the just above the neutral range in the bearish zone here at 1.35, but not overly bearish. And the trend Q, a little bit neutral, having come back from outer space on the rally. Nice to have that, at least confirming that we're neutral now. So the tick, don't usually talk about that as much because it's so intraday. But a lot of the moves below 800, not so many above 800 also in here. The VIX, good one as well, has been higher all day long, unfilled gap through here, and need to go out one time frame at least to see where this resistance is at these swing lows and before the failure. So 1880, again you can see what we're dealing with here, nice gap fill, tested already once out of that. This support and resistance area also valid, and the declining 100 MA. So again, on a daily chart, if we're looking at the S&P, it's not unlikely that we would see a stall like we talked about this morning, even a pullback, and this isn't actually a dramatic sell-off, at least not yet, and we'll need to watch this volume print. But if we can consolidate up around here through 114 and 116, that would be a fantastic consolidation. So good stuff, everybody. Hope you're having a great trading day so far, and look forward to D7's video at the close.